guys, for today's video, maglalaro tayo ng Jenga. Please wait wait. Ganito. I get the chair. Bro. Ito yung chair. So, dito ako sa white. And dito si... So, ngayon, guys, start na tayo mag-play ng Jenga. So, bubuin muna natin itong Jenga ngayon. And hey, where's the pamukpok? Bro, where? So, ayun guys, ibubuo muna natin to. Speaking English, kaya mo lang kayo na. So, let's fix this one. Pero, it's so hard. Pero kakayanin. Ito siya guys. Kung makikita nyo to, kailangan natin yan ibuo.
Opo. Kasi ito kasi nakakarabas kami.
Huwag na kasing speak in English nga, di ba?
Speak. Sorry po. Okay.
Guys, you know this? O din din dun. Madin din dun. So, ngayon guys, start to play. Go, bato-bato pick muna tayo kung sino yung first.
Ito.
Oo, bato-bato pick muna. Ano ba?
Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Ako yung first. I get some mango.
Akal natalo ka, ikaw ulit?
Hindi na. Speak in English. I get some mango, guys. There. This for me.
Bato.
Hindi, ikaw na. Watermelon. You don't need this because yan, okay na. Bawal na siya. Here's for... Oh no, my god!
Bye first.
It's a kiwi. Kiwi. I get some kiwi, bro. I have it too. Look.
Saan sa akin?
Here. Look. You don't need this. But he don't need this.
Ang gula.
Here. Hey, don't get there. Over there, bro. Okay, fine. Here. Here. What are you doing? You need to fix. I said to you here. But go, fix. Faster. Ang bilis na talo. Talo siya kagad. So, pagod ako. So, kawawa naman siya. Joke lang. Actually, 5 naman beses. So, ngayon, pangalawa pa lang namin to. May 3 game pa kami. So, yung 5 pa po, mag-chess moon. Ay, actually, hindi ako mag-chess. Mag-ano kami. Tawag dito. Ano tawag din?
Ano?
Yung laro na yun?
Jenga?
No, bro. Yung 5 game na yun, magda-dice tayo. And, yun lang. So, pagkatapos yun, magka-color naman tayo na. Okay, wait na lang natin siya. Magpasal na siya muna. Wait na muna natin siya, guys, ha. Wow. Bro, it's me. Okay, so yung kalimutan na, watch yung vlog namin. Start kasi kami sa July 17. Siyempre, watch yun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and yun lang. So, pangalawang play, yun lang muna. Wait muna natin. So, to guys, nabuo na namin kagad na mabilisan. So, start. Game. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. At me first. Wait mo muna. Me first. It's a mango. Oh, wow. Easy. Here's for you, bro.
Bato.
No, it's you na. It's a strawberry. Kissing the flower. Is it for our little like my bluebirds? If you want hard, okay, fine. Okay, fine, bro. Like, din, dun. Dun.
Makakapara ka sa akin.
Oh my god. I have a watermelon. Oh no, it's a strawberry. I hate to fix it someone else.
Ito.
Hey bro, shut up your mouth. Oh yeah, I can get here for you, bro. Is this again strawberry? Because it's so hard. Oh, it's the grapes, bro. But it's so easy. Let's pick it someone else over there. Who's that? Bro, what's that, bro? Bro, it's a kiwi. I fixed this over there. But it's not to be unhard.
Hindi, para patas ng pataas nalagay dito.
No. But here is for bro. Bro, it's the grapes. We're just so very easy.
Lalo sa'yo.
I have a kiwi. And here is for you. Mango, bro. Be careful.
5 na
If you
ako.
don't want to die. But I mean, it's only 5 then. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Over there, look. And here's for you.
Uy, dyan na pumunta sa bis.
Here you go. Make it fast. It's a mango again. Me? It's again a mango.
Lalo sa'yo.
Shut up. Here's for you. Strawberry, bro. Be careful.
Mama Sigma. Mama Sigma.
Hey, speak in English, bro. Kiwi again.
Sakit ka?
Bro, it's so hard. Guys, look. Maliit na lang yung ano namin, no? So, go. Sana win tayo. It's a kiwi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, ah! You're die, bro. So, guys, natalo si Sian, guys. Naka 2 points ako, pero siya 0 points pa lang. So, ngayon, magda-dice naman.
Ang ano, nang lipit na po ko kami. Kahit napagalitan po kami.